You see, in history, in tradition, in custom, your uncrobi a flower tanosubin stools. When we talk of tanosubin stools, memo one chemo. Tanoso, Urban Tachimai, Boyam, Tuabaram, Ofumai, Tano Boase, Nkyeraa, Branham, Subinso, now Wase. We call them Tanosubin stools. All the Tanosubin stools, they all owe allegiance to the golden stool. All the Tanosubin stools, they all owe allegiance to the golden stool. And that after the Privileges Committee meeting in 1936, Asanteman challenged all these stools. The matter ended from the court of Waka to Privy Council. And the Privy Council determined all in favor of the Asantefuo. Waka, Asanteman lost. Privy Council, Asanteman lost. All cases in Nkyeraa, it was decided in favor of Nkyeraa Asantefuo Nkuru.
Memoir Kwaba about Skeleton Man TV. So Skeleton Man TV ana wushi. So when your first time any abomodia subscribe. Me notification is to send you anytime bia ye video betumuno. One son sabe kan wenye bia ushevia comment fa ho. Tire wa gin efa video no ho bisia like video no na share emo bia so enye bi nhwe. Me dasi bebrere. Abusia Nkyeraa eye hwan edia abusiafo eye hwan edia Dormaahene ewo tumi ewo Nkyeraa so anase Nkyeraa ehye Asanteman ase abusiafo enche bia ana Dormaahene ekopie edwabo bia se aye Nkyeraa hene ana abusiafo obo se edwa no na semu a chese Dormaahene edikoto ho no ne se ono Dormaahene na chese wo ye bunu Regional House of Chiefs President no abusiafo obe yusu sa tumie na owo no abo Nkyeraa hene Paramount Chief abusiafo a oso wo no Dormaahene de bibia odi nani ebesi so se wo ye no obeye obia ntumi nye den etumi nye ho hwe ono ne kura powers no etu ono Dormaahene a wo ye buru Regional House of Chiefs President Nkyeraa hene ni kuro no eso ntu obeye den obebo no Paramount Chief abusia sansem na koso no ane hu se the historian abusiafo lawyer Obiri Boahen watie simu den edie na lawyer Obiri Boahen eka lawyer Obiri Boahen abusia wo se wo ka che Dormaahene sa tumie no woni tumi a obetumi abo Nkyeraa hene Paramount Chief oni sa tumie no da na so onim so a wo ka kire no Nkyeraa eye Asantehene edia Otumfuo ne dia baako pe ehye Asanteman ase enti se Nkyeraa ehye Asanteman ase a Dormaahene wontumi mpinche ho baako kura wontumi emfa ne nsa enka Nkyeraa so obi betumi abo Nkyeraa hene Paramount Chief a Adisi Otumfuo nko a ene betumi ayeden abo ne Paramount Chief nti de Dormaahene eka ne de o se eye mogo ana oyeden wo keka na busiafo lawyer Obiri Boahen me see the historian or the first ni nyina eyeden egu hon with evidence nti mu de mumie nko ni enkotie lawyer Obiri Boahen,
a member of parliament, but you are not surprised. Court ruling, Supreme Court ruling, shatem the dear pass, or must say a diatem Sam George. So all radio stations no mudiatem. No man peace, any pro retired judges, any pro NDC chiefs, when you bear, when you beka, shatem the dear, shakutiabo. And our more FM stations, TV stations there, and I be. Utie kura now siafim. Utie pa now siafim. Some TV stations be na ya banya dan na o moton here and any day anytime NDC TV stations NDC FM I mean NDC individuals insulting tribal na sama bana Ghana ha na nsan nyina na we na asatefo ne fo na asatehene ne hwane na Obiri Boahen ne hwane na ohene ba ne hwane no NDC fo baba de baba ko manhia se banko pacho baba banko pa asofo be die ni mudi bako NDC fo what type of characters are we dealing with? But ehura bejo what is them back say hwe na no ade a ekosi wo Nkyeraa. I mean, you can't just simply understand. Nkyeraa, one of the Asante stools in Bia. Nkyeraa. Now there's a this court of appeal case. Kwaku, muntie ye. Amoda debia me mamo ayuma nigeno. Munfa pen ni paper nkora no. Muntie. Kwaku versus Boye. Kwaku munfa pen mo an be Google. Kwaku versus Boye. 1987-1988 Ghana Law Report Digest. 1987-1988 Ghana Law Report Digest. Paragraph 104. The judgment was delivered on 28th April 1988. 28th April 1988. Quorum judges who sat on the matter. Taylor, Lante, and then Kosi. Black and white. Or the Nkyeraa is owes allegiance to the golden stool. Sometimes you meet some lawyers, pro NDC lawyers, no Obiri Boahen, no waka sam na tra. A lawyer for your friend Musa, my learned friends. Me say title of the case is the Kwaku versus Boye. O check it. I never check it. Kwaku versus Boye. 1987-88 Ghana Law Report Digest. Paragraph 104. Judgment was delivered on 28th April 1988. Quorum Taylor, Lante, and Kosi. What check wanya?
Yeah.
Wanya. Kinkani, you were sending Kinkani.
So, my man Kinkani or say
Kinkani, a lawyer for
Court of Appeal. 28 April 1988.
Exactly. Oh, some come
Quorum Taylor JSC Ampia JA Lamptey. Judgment Taylor JSC Nana Tebiri Kwaku. The appellant in this case was formerly the Nkyeraa in the Bro Ahafo region on 5th May 1975 when he was the then Nkyeraa the Judicial Committee of the Kumasi Traditional Council heard dismemberment charges involving him and by a majority decision of its members gave judgment in his favor and dismissed the said dismemberment charges brought against him by the respondent Yao Boye and two other kingmakers of the Nkyeraa too. That means the case was there.
So the case was there. So it went on an appeal. What I say about regional house. About regional house alone. That one was also determined in 1976. Kwaku Tebiri winnie at the traditional council Kumasi. What was that? Nkyeraa baby I want to Kwaku Tebiri the bar Kumasi. What was the bar? When it went on appeal at the Ashanti Regional House of Chiefs, or my transfer your sacred be quiet. So we are making no. And the copy, the third, I guess so. And I Jima, as so correct. Then back on appeal, and they reversed the decision of the traditional council, and they gave judgment in favor of a boy, Nifahina and Adon. Then everyone and we ran to an appeal so. Kwaku Tebiri and to an appeal so. And Tedru baby Kwaku Tebiri san court to say, or make a gin yamano. The Kwaku Tebiri court to say, or no crano, or Bunu region, Nkyeraa or Bunu region, into a near Ashanti region because of the 1979 constitution. And the court said that Uboa Then when even it went on the Court of Appeal, they now can say, Court of Appeal wrote to the Bono Regional House of Chiefs, and the Bono Regional House of Chiefs can say, Nkyeraa owes allegiance to the golden stool. A lawyer for a lawyer Nimuya, walk on law school. Nami Obiri Boahen can hold the matter. Obiri Boahen yedede, Obiri Boahen utiaso. But this is the authority I've cited for you. Ordinary person crowd and can have lawyer you go to Sunyani, they are there. You go to Techiman, they are there. You go to Dormaahene, they are there. Come on. Now, no. The president of the Regional House of Chiefs, Nkyeraa. So Obama Nkyeraa be man. It can never be possible. Because the Court of Appeal, you know, can say it has determined it. So can koya unya dajia. Mwa mukotu minu munya dajia monkania. The Court of Appeal can say Nkyeraa owes allegiance to the golden stool. Anyamina meka. 1988 ni me lawyer. 1988 ni me lawyer. Anyamina meka. Eti me kan ba be party nu. Eti say obeka expert abna tutu. Expert abna tutu no anso sanye the Republic versus Techiman Traditional Council. Expert abna tutu. The Republic versus Techiman Traditional Council. Expert abna tutu. 1982-83 Ghana Law Report 991 to 1003. Check it. 11th May 1982. Judgment was delivered on 11th May 1982. Maybe go university. Check it, man. And this is for lawyer for judgment. And this is him for judgment. Uka samna baba kwa kopia mban kopia nyobechi se baba ti asatidini. So that is the problem we have in this country. That is the problem. Kikatirebo. So even 1988 the Bono the damn Bono Regional of Chiefs say Nkyeraa Asanteman dia. How can say na otwesen the president of the Bono Regional of Chiefs ekokan wo Dormaahene. Yes, ekokan wo Nkyeraa say Obepeja Nkyeraa amana beye Paramountcy. How?
Debut papa yi.
Ya mama kama se won hwa me mra.
I am trying to understand
mama kama se no me nto asem. What did me because me ba me kan back kwasem na. You see, in history, in tradition, in custom, your onkrobi a yefra wo tanosubin stools. When we talk of tanosubin stools me mo bon kyerem. Tanoso eben tachiman. Boyam Tuobaram Ofumai Tano Buase Nkyeraa Branham Subinso na Wase. We call them Tano Subin stools. All the Tano Subin stools, they all owe allegiance to the golden stool. All the Tano Subin stools, they all owe allegiance to the golden stool. And that after the Privileges Committee meeting in 1936, Techiman challenged all these stools. The matter ended from the Court of Waka to Privy Council. And the Privy Council determined all in favor of the Asanteman. Waka, Techiman lost. Privy Council, Techiman lost. All cases in England, it was decided in favor of Asanteman. That is it. So even if you go through the Privileges Committee, a book from June 1935 to January 1936. Nkrono nyina zamba be Asanteman crew. E bi problem ne say. They just said oti asante dina et say wako heaven and wako brunsan janu wabo Yesu dini. So please, that is the rule NDC for person here. They just want to disturb Ghanaians.
Okay.
NDC just wants to disturb Ghanaians. It's coming back to the TV stations and the FM stations, I'm catch yourself, I'm on attend so listen to the MPs. Nano Parliament as some by Nano Tafo MP. Yes, what information be say NDC are you for no say NDC for say constituency be a one kind. Woman penny pabaya hen and from Parliament. And a member of Parliament who Echo Car say so Mukona or besides I could not got MP before I got away. o se ne ne besi e be kontokwa. So please my brothers and sisters, mo amutiemi NDC pro NDC TV stations, FM stations, but the answer to Kwamra. Pro NDC intellectuals, but the answer to Kwamra. Pro NDC MPs,
lawyers,
NDC lawyers, NDC chiefs, but present to Kwamra, but to Kwasho man and Machina. Because woman was I don't know, and call ye mawam. And Tiwano say, woman deserve be wenaba, say NDC TV stations, FM. That is what is going on.
Well, Obusia, any lawyer Obiri Boahen, and Otumfuo, Moten and Kano, and somewhat or dear to boy, a day announce what can farm. Comment session on nature watching a funny seminar. Ah, Hatnum, a skeleton man TV, Monsieur talk for more. Yet the Bebre went to say, way of first time one, any Bomodia, subscribe. Me a notification is so. Cricket all no send a video, Pia, ye libe tumuno, one son sabekan when ye be a sure, Medasi Bebre.